Due to the amount of commitments that I had away from the site, I never had the opportunity to see the foundation dug and the rebar placed in the trenches. I was really beginning to wonder if I would have enough opportunity to complete this project. There was so much work that had to be done to get ready for the foundation, and I had not seen any of it. The site appeared to be ready, but I realized I had not properly prepared to handle such a big project. I do not know why I had not flown since the teardown. I just had to get the drone back into the air. It was decision time. How far was I going to go with this project? If I start it, I want to finish it. Once I got the drone into the air, though, my attitude got so much better. Even though I did not have a set of shots that I was wanting to film, it was nice to at least get the aerial perspective. I did not know how to film an active project, and I knew it was going to have to be learning on the go. The bird's eye shot is a great shot to get started, and it's also a great shot to see progress. To me, though, it's kind of a boring shot. However, it does give a good perspective when combined with the ground-based shots. When I got to the editing process, I was happy to see that I could put an interesting video together with a mixture of both ground-based and aerial-based shots. In order to save time, I began to use the DJI film editor. It allowed me access to the cloud for aerial photographs in my DJI album for editing. The program also allowed me to combine ground-based photographs from my personal album on the tablet to be used in the editing program. This was the start of 2 weeks of using this editing tool. I began to become uncomfortable with the amount of sharing I was starting to do.